So of course, I forgot to record. Ooh. But I'm playing the BDK triple side spot and KenoQueens lightning rod. Right now the piece is down there, but you know what we're gonna do in a minute, right? I'm here for KenoNation, but guess what? I might be asleep during KenoNation meet and greet because, ooh, we want to see red all over. Normally we want it to light up, but come on, we can do this. It's hot. I know this can happen. Oh, 4 out of 5. Did you see that? Those were the only ones. Oh my goodness. I want to hit it for you guys. Well, I want to hit it for myself too. Oh my goodness. I want to get the buckaroos. Look, buckaroos. Sawtissue Jackie, thank you for my beautiful wristband. I want to get those buckaroos. Coming, Joe? It's coming. You feeling it? I won't show him because he's in disguise. But ooh, bonus. But of course I don't know how to do it right, but I'm gonna do the go-go, and then hopefully, oh Lord, what's going on here? Return. Oh my gosh, show all cards. Here we go. We're back. you feel it? Yes. We can do this. Ooh. It's on fire. It's not on fire, yes or no? You know me. I'm not using my tripod, so I think my tripod is at Slot Gypsy Jackie's room. Thank you, Slot Gypsy Jackie. I love you. Or one more. Oh my goodness. How can I stop? How can I stop? Oh! Oh my goodness. Okay. I'll be back, guys. When I hit it, I'm going to share it with you because I'm still feeling it. We can do this. Thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and everything else. We're here, KenoNation 7 weekend, and one more.